Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. We're in Lawrenceville, Georgia, zone 7B8A. It's July, I think 23rd, and I've got to show you this. We're being attacked by something that at least here I've never seen before, and it's overwhelming. We're going to move in here on these squash plants, and I've got to show you this. I think they're called Kudzu bugs, something. We've never had them before. They suck the life right out of your plant. And frankly, I've sprayed them with BT, Serenade, Pyrethrum. Look at this. They don't care. There is no controlling these monsters. And they are everywhere. Somebody on YouTube said they used one of them little tiny vacuum cleaners. Well, that was a joke. So, we're going to give it a try with a regular shop vac and see if that'll suck some of these guys off, because these plants don't have a chance. Spraying them, they just move. They're everywhere. Absolutely just inhaling. They get all over you. I don't know what they are. If you know how to get rid of them short of a flamethrower, we're going to try the vacuuming, see if that helps. But these are just unbelievable. Yep. At this end. Well, it vacuumed a lot better down here on these bush beans. I guess maybe because it's near the ground and the suction worked better, because it was not very good on the pole beans running up the pole, but there's still plenty of them left. But at least it knocked them back some, maybe enough I can get a crop of beans out of here. But if you've got some things that work for you, please, because they are really wiping out parts of the garden. And I've never seen them before, and everything I normally use has accomplished nothing. So this is David at Grow and Eat This, inundated with Kudzu bugs. Thank you for watching. Here's about an hour, hour and a half after we did all the vacuuming of the kudzu. And as you can see, they are back in earnest. Maybe not quite as many, but I don't know if the damage to the plants can tell that there's not as many as there were. They're everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. Incredible. The numbers of these things. Every one of them tapped in to the plant, eating, sucking it dry. Please, if you know how to stop these things, tell us. Never had them before, and boy, I hope I never have them again. This is David at Grow and Eat This with a kudzu disaster.